Welcome back to the channel, everyone. As you can see by the thumbnail of this video, today I'm going to talk about the latest updates for the Surface Duo and the Surface Duo 2. So let's get to it. So I updated both my Duo and my Duo 2 to the latest Microsoft updates a couple days ago. I've had a chance to play with the Surface Duo 2 and the Surface Duo just a little bit, and I've noticed some things. First, let's dig into the actual updates themselves. So starting with the Surface Duo, I'm looking at the update for the unlocked devices in North America. We're now sitting at 2022-902-32. And again, we see that this is just a patch update. It was a little big for a patch update. It was a little over 100 megabytes, which is a little bit larger than normal patch updates. But as we see again, we're not getting any kind of major improvements on the device. And this is also the patch update from July. So this isn't even anything to do with August, and we're almost halfway through August at the time of filming. Popping over to the Surface Duo 2. For all versions of the device, we should be sitting at 2023-429-46. Again, this is nothing more than a patch update. Combine that with the fact that the Surface Duo is about to be completely end of life, I'm not really sure what more I can talk about these devices. Now, I still carry my Surface Duo 2 around, and I use it as an MP3 player at the office or to take down notes during meetings and things like that, but it's not a daily driver anymore. I've got my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and I've got a Pixel 6a. Not the latest devices, I know, but when you're running a channel as a hobby like I am, dropping $1,700 on a new Pixel or $2,000 on a new Samsung every single year, it's just not happening. Not without me running into debt, and I don't plan on doing that. So what have I noticed about these updates? Well, on the Surface Duo 2, not very much. On the Surface Duo, however, I noticed some things when the phone came back on after the update, and I started getting all of the notifications coming up on the phone. I started seeing this. So every time a notification pops up, both screens go black. Now for me, that's never happened before. I haven't had a chance as of yet to just power cycle and play with the device, and it didn't happen after everything settled down. So maybe that was just some issues with the updates finishing, but only time will tell. For the Surface Duo 2, it seems to be trucking along just fine. I really haven't had very many problems with it, other than everything that I've said previously. You know, sometimes it doesn't flip properly for the screens, but that's a Surface Duo, right? So going forward, what are my plans? Well, I'm thinking about taking one of them, probably the Surface Duo, and upgrading it using that special ROM file to get Android 13, like the Pixel Fold experience Android 13. I just want to see how that plays out and see how the updates continue on that. It looks pretty cool. If you haven't checked it out, check out Shane over at Scary If Literal. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. He has some fascinating videos on the Surface Duo devices running Android 13 using that beta ROM file. So I think I might try that. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys want to see me actually install that live? Or is that something you would want to hear about after the fact? Just let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. You guys know that I love the feedback. I love hearing from you, and I love interacting with you. So feel free, comments down below, whatever you want to know, whatever you think I should do with the devices, aside from giving them away, because that's just not going to happen. That's just a real quick video talking about the latest updates. The Surface Duo, the OG Surface Duo, probably has one more update to go before it's completely into the road. And At that point, they may get the Google patch updates for a while, but I'm not really sure. What are your plans with your Surface Duo or Surface Duo 2? You going to keep rocking the Surface Duo after Microsoft's support for it dwindles? Or do you plan on upgrading to a different device? And if so, what? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I hope you guys liked watching this video as much as I did making it. My name is Bryant. This is Reviews for Nerds. Have a great day.